Hi, folks. Jesse Ivy back with you again today. And today we are going to talk about a subject that I'm familiar with, and that would be owner finance land. And the name of this video is called What is Owner Finance Land? So, there's a lot of people who probably, maybe they don't know what owner finance land is or have never really had it explained to them what exactly it is. Maybe you're somebody that's curious like that, and maybe you're watching this video, and you're already aware what owner finance land is, but maybe you're somebody that's watching this video who isn't. You're not familiar with what owner finance land is. Owner finance land basically helps a buyer. So let's suppose you're somebody that is interested in buying some land, but you don't have a lot of cash. So let's say that you have, $300, and you've been saving a while, but that's all you have. You don't have a lot of money, but you're interested in buying some, raw undeveloped land or maybe some developed land. But you're looking for some land, maybe in Colorado or Florida or whatever, and the land's so expensive, there's no way you're going to be able to pay cash because you only have $300 put away for this land. And then the next thing is, you've thought about maybe I could use my credit cards and buy it, or something like that. Well, you know, you only have $5,000 allowed on your credit card that you could put some land on, but that's probably not going to buy you land in Florida or Colorado. So then what do you do then? So then you're looking around on Zillow, you're looking around on realtor.com, you're interested in some land. Once again, you cannot find land, that's inexpensive for your $300 or maybe even using your credit card to buy the land. So what happens then is you kind of get discouraged figuring, oh, I'm not going to be able to buy any land. And then you think about, well, I could go get a loan, maybe I could get a loan, but to get a loan on something like that's going to at least take 20% of the, so if you look at a piece of land and it costs, $35,000, well, you're going to have to come in with some money down, maybe $7,000 if that's 20%. So, that's not going to work either. And maybe your credit's not that good, or maybe you're a first time land buyer or whatever. So owner finance land is like this. There's a lot of companies like us. Our website is ownerfinanceland.com. Just go to www.ownerfinanceland.com. But our website, and there's a lot of other websites like ours, sells owner finance land. And what that entails is you can buy land from our company, and maybe it only costs you $100 or $200 down or $300 down. And there are no credit checks. And you do not deal with a bank, you deal directly with us. We own all of our land outright. So we basically handle all the financing and all the deals. And, there's no bank to go through, there's no loan approval. There's no credit checks. So if you have bad credit, got in trouble, years ago, like with medical bills, or maybe you went through a divorce, or like I said, somebody got sick or whatever, or you just didn't pay some bills, we don't care about that, because you can start your credit repair with us and use us as a reference if you ever need to get a loan for something, especially if you've made your land payments in a timely manner over a period of time. But owner finance land allows the buyer to buy land with no credit checks. There's no early payoff penalty. So if you get a bonus at work and you decide you want to pay off the land, you can do it. Low down payments. So you come in and you come in, maybe you have $200 put away and you find a piece of land in Colorado, and the land's going to cost you $20,000. You put $200 down. You begin to make your monthly payments. There's no credit checks, no early payoff penalties, low down payments. So you're not dealing with a lender. You're not dealing with a bank. So it's really easy to get started. Like I said, if you're interested in that, if that's what you're looking for, I invite you to go to our website. Go to www.ownerfinancedland.com. You can check it out. You can read through our FAQ section of the website, because there's a lot of things that is explained in that section about our company and land, buying land. with owner financing. But that entails that basically is it. What it means, owner finance land, is you buy land from the seller directly. It's seller financing. That's the same thing as owner financing. It's the same thing as seller finance land, but you buy directly from us, our company. And there's a lot of other websites out there too. You can, go on Land Watch, and you'll see a bunch of other land companies that are doing the same thing we are. I can only vouch for ourselves, but like I said, that is owner finance land. You basically are buying land directly from the seller, and you're not having to go through all these middlemen or try to get a loan, or you're going to pay 12% on a loan, or so. And you do have to be careful with the land companies you choose. You just want to make sure you read through their FAQ sections or ask questions to make sure about things. But that basically is answers the question: what is owner finance land? You're buying land directly from the seller, or the company, and you basically don't go through banks. There's no early payoff penalties. There's no credit check, and there's low down payments, and you can pay off your land at any time. So it's really easy to get started. Like I said, no banks equals no problems for you. You can buy a piece of land this year if that's something you want and you're really interested. Anyway, I invite you to go to our website. Just go to www.ownerfinanceland and check it out. And if you have any questions, you can always send us an email or call us direct. Call us at 541-350-8606, and you can call us or text us, ask us some questions. But that's basically it in a nutshell, is what is owner finance land. And if you like our content on our YouTube channel here, please subscribe. It helps, helps get it out there, and like our videos because it helps get that out there. But anyway, this is Jesse. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we have a lot of other videos on our YouTube channel, so you check those out. But this is Jesse signing off from the Owner Terms Land Network.